Hey, I'm here with Dean Jackson, my good friend of many, many years. I don't know how, 15 years. Probably.
Yeah, third appearance.
Yes, third
I'm so excited.
On the blog. This
Yes.
is first ever
Three-time guest. I love it.
Yes. So we were just talking about the concept of yours.
Yes.
Which is awesome.
Oh, I love it. So here's the thing. We're at Strategic Coach. We're here in Toronto. And the idea that we've been talking about is I've identified or noticed that where a lot of entrepreneurs get stuck on things is that they'll go out and they'll hear new ideas. They'll hear things about what they'd like to do, what we call them. And the fork that happens is that when somebody hears a what, you get exposed to an idea is a what, that the immediate thought is, okay, I want to do that, but now there's a choice they have to make. They're either going to go down the path of how do I do that, and if they choose to go down that path of figuring out how to do something, you're immediately tying yourself into, I call it like writing a blank check that's payable with your irreplaceable time in real time, because you don't know how long it's going to take you to figure out how to do something. And then even after you've learned how to do it, you still now have to do it, probably poorly, because it's the first time you're doing it, before you get to done. So you've got all this delay, friction in getting your vision, your idea into the world. Now, there's another path. There's the entrepreneurial path here of taking, and instead of asking how, asking who. And if you can, instead of figuring out how to do something, find somebody who can do something for you, partner with somebody, find somebody who offers that as a service, and collaborate with them to get it done, because the right who is going to bring the how with them. And as soon as you find the right who, you immediately jump to done. It doesn't require any of your time to do it. And so it's a multiplier. We were talking in Phoenix about this idea of that how and do are analog things, right? Where you're stuck in real time. You have to actually invest the full-on real-time hours to learn how to do something and to do it. When you think about what, when you think about ideas, what and who are multipliers. They're exponential, because you can have an idea for something, you can express it clearly to the right who, and that can set off this whole chain of doing that you've had nothing to do with, yet it creates an outcome that came from your vision. You decided that that's what you wanted to do. So it's been just embracing that and really understanding it and staying on that multiplied side has made a tremendous difference.
This is the essence of leverage, right? Mm-hmm. I mean, it's the essence of leverage as an entrepreneur.
Yes.
Is that you don't have to figure out how to do everything.
Right.
You get the idea, the what.
Yep.
And then you get excited about it with the why. Mm-hmm. And then instead of going to how am I going to get this done?
Yeah, when you start with why, the why is like that's everything about it. That's going to then set a context for the what's that you get exposed to. If your why is, I want to build an amazing online business that gives me a wonderful lifestyle, that's the starting point. And then you go and find what's that support that why. And then you find the who can actually do it, instead of getting caught up in the how to do it, you know?
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
So it is.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
3 episodes.
So when you get an idea, instead of asking how, ask who.
The happy cow says who.
So I'm Jeff Walker. Wherever you're at, scroll down, leave a comment for Dean and I, and let's go get him this week.